acquired this very rare Vauxhall Insignia diesel with a VXR styling pack. Absolutely immaculate diamond cut alloy wheels, as you can see. Gleaming black metallic. It's very strike looking. Good year's tyres. That shows it's been well looked after. Very rare with wheels like that. Boot area's in lovely condition, the carpet mats are there. Interior's in lovely condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Seats are in lovely condition. It's got DAB radio. 6-speed gearbox. Aux and USB. Some 111,645 miles. It's a facelift model. Cruise control, air conditioning, all in lovely condition. Multifunction steering wheel. DJH have full dealer facilities including warranty, finance and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call at 07 503 751 005. Thank you.